Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a great case and keyboard for your tablet, then check this one out from JUQITECH. I've really been enjoying this case and keyboard. This is for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, and it's really nice because it's so easy to use. You simply slide down this keyboard, it's magnetic, and it also connects to your Bluetooth very simply. You simply turn it on and off and connect it to the Bluetooth. It comes with a charging cord, so the keyboard is rechargeable, and this sleek design makes it so nice to carry around. I like the lightweight design of it also, and these colors are really nice, especially when you're typing in the dark. You can easily see the keyboard. It's waterproof, drop-proof, and scratch-resistant, so it makes the perfect everyday case and keyboard. I'm really happy with this. I use it all the time, and I couldn't recommend it enough if you work from home. Maybe you travel a lot, you're on the go, you need to take this with you. Not only is it a protection, but it's a great way to get your work done. And that is my point of view.